Hello everyone. I know I sound a bit more over enthusiastic than I usually am. But hello, मेरा नाम सरबजीत है और I am one of the founders of Parapsychology and Investigations Research Society. This is where you are right now. ये उन्हीं का चैनल है, The Society's channel. जैसे कि आप लोगों ने सुना अभी कि हम लोग के पास एक नया डिवाइस आया है. इट्स अ न्यू टॉय दैट वी हैव बॉट. But and then this is like an unboxing. But the reason everyone must be thinking, I'm pretty sure, is कि why a paranormal channel is doing an unboxing video. Well, बोलने जाएँ तो यार अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो सबको अच्छा लगता है. मुझे भी अच्छा लगता है. आई एम प्रिटी श्योर आपको भी अच्छा लगता होगा बिकॉज that very feeling of having a new thing and opening it up, the excitement, सब कुछ जो होता है, everyone feels it. So मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना इस बार अपने ऑडियंस को भी दिखा दें कि what we have got and why we have got. Yeah, so we have a new, to actually say it's pretty new, a new DJI Mavic Mini, and yeah, so let's unbox this thing. Of course we don't have another camera right now unfortunately because जो दूसरा वाला कैमरा था उसका माउंट नहीं मिल रहा है, the GoPro actually. So what I'll do is अब देख लो what I'm trying to do, right? So we have this and let's see और क्या है. अबे so this जो हमने लिया है for our shooting and investigation purpose, it's a combo pack, so we get a lot more than just a drone. Okay, I know what this is. So this we have got is the, I think is the protection guard है ये. Now again, I'm not a technical guy, I don't know the technicalities of these things, but I love flying them. Yeah, see, so these are propellers and इसको हम लोग use करेंगे if we want to in the drone, so that अगर कहीं भी during the fly it is getting towards any sort of object, it can protect the propellers which are really important for the drone, right? Then we have, I'm pretty sure ये क्या है, these are paperworks, of course. Okay, एक बात बताओ, do any of you actually go through these papers? I'm pretty sure many of you do. If you are one who goes through all the documents that come with your device, phone, drone, जो भी है, then please do comment down below and let me know यार what else is written apart from a normal manual in different languages, और क्या मिलता है वहाँ पे. So these are the batteries. We have got 3 batteries and as per the specification each battery can run up to 30 minutes. तो अगर 3 batteries हैं तो almost we are getting 1 hour 30 minutes अगर हम लोग full potential के साथ उसको उड़ाते हैं तो, right? ये अभी कचरा होने वाला है, just bear with me as I am unboxing for you people. And then it has a charger वाला logo symbol to it, so I'm pretty sure ये इसके charging के लिए होएगा, batteries के charging के लिए होएगा. So yes, it's an adapter. And yeah, so that's it inside. इसके अंदर और कुछ भी नहीं है. Now coming to the main part is this डब्बा. Okay. ये drone है इसका entirely. Wait, that's my phone. I don't know if you can see, but my phone is covering the entire drone. It's so small. And I think that is why, I don't know आपको पता है या नहीं, there are rules, there used to be rules actually, अभी भी है, that you know above 250 ग्राम के जो drones होते हैं, those you cannot fly without prior permission. So DJI ने specifically यहाँ पे बनाया है 249 grams वाला, which they have mentioned that this drone is below 250. I'm so excited to peel these things off. Yeah, let's do that. So ये है हमारा entire drone. Oh geez, oops. See, I'm really sorry if you're finding it boring because it's the first time I'm unboxing something. So yeah, please bear with me. मैंने उल्टा ही खोल दिया था and शायद तोड़ने ही वाला था, अभी पता चला बिना यूज़ किए ही तोड़ दिया हमने. Wow, look at that. Look at the small camera it has. Nice. We have the controller here, which we'll be using to control the drone entirely. So yeah, there it goes. Looks super futuristic. Pardon my excitement, but yeah, I'm a total electronic geek. Like कुछ भी आप इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मुझे दो या फिर बताओ, आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड एंड आई कीप वेस्टिंग माई मनी ऑन स्टफ दैट आर प्रिटी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक. बट ये जो है ये हमने पेयर्स के लिए लिया है. दिस इज ओनली बी यूज फॉर पेयर्स ओन इन्वेस्टिगेशन एंड ऑफ कोर्स अदर वीडियोज दैट वी कीप शूटिंग. दिस इज द बैटरी चार्जर. आई एम प्रिटी श्योर बिकॉज यहाँ पे कंपार्टमेंट्स हैं, सो इट्स लाइक टुगेदर वी कैन चार्ज ऑल थ्री. Of course, I'll not be going to the technicalities because this is not a technical channel. Then apart from that, we have these are connectors to say. तो डिपेंड करता है आपके पास कौन सा फ़ोन है कौन सा नहीं है, उस हिसाब से आप अपना जो कनेक्शन है कनेक्शन केबल जो है वो आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. एंड दिस इज़ अगेन अ चार्जिंग केबल एंड दिस आर अगेन अ चार्जिंग केबल. ओके, दीज आर प्रोपेलर्स, राइट. Awesome. So हमको एक्स्ट्रा भी दिया गया है. Okay, so yes, this is the drone that we have bought, right? पहले सबको खाली कर देते हैं. Okay, ये है हमारा नया डिवाइस जो हम लोग यूज़ करने वाले हैं इन आवर इन्वेस्टिगेशन. नाउ ऑफ कोर्स like I usually mention and I always mention that we are not technical people, so we the only thing that we have that we use for making videos is the ability to see things beautifully, the ability to the creative mind to see things differently, and that's how we use it in our work. So हमको technicality नहीं पता, but we are going to use this drone for covering the places that we investigate, you know, the huge places that we get to investigate or the buildings that we get to investigate. और जैसे कि अभी कुलधारा का प्लान है, भांगड़ का प्लान है, the many other plans that we have that will be using this drone ad, and I'm pretty sure आपको भी अच्छा लगेगा. The footages will give our videos a good quality as well, even though you know, okay, it's not necessary, but it's always a bonus to have footages like this. And yeah, so if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel, do hit the like button if you like this entire segment of videos of our devices and the drone unboxing thing. If you are liking these segments where we are just bringing in you random things but are still connected to paranormal, then please subscribe कीजिए. अगर आप नए हो तो please also hit the bell icon apart from subscribing, of course. And yeah, do let me know which is your favorite device in the comment box below. Comment ज़रूर कीजिएगा कि आपको कौन सा डिवाइस अच्छा लगता है. And yeah, that's it, and we'll meet soon. Bye bye.